Blender has two built-in render engines called Cycles and Eevee. These are free and offer very high speeds. Externally, you can use render engines such as Octane, Redshift, and LuxCore. So which one is the best? It depends on the intended use. Let's examine them one by one. The Cycles render engine physically simulates real light and produces realistic results. It is often used for realistic architectural subjects. It is a bit tedious to use for animation because it renders slowly. The output contains a lot of noise, which requires the use of a denoiser to prevent it, which also takes extra time. It is difficult to achieve a bokeh effect. Rendering a foggy animation is pure torture. EEVE stands for Extra Easy Virtual Environment Engine. It is Blender's real-time render engine, familiar from games. Extra work is required for lighting and shadows, and achieving realistic renders is not very easy. It is often used for animation. Redshift is a paid product from the company that developed Cinema 4D. It provides convenience for users transitioning from Cinema 4D to Blender. It is quite fast among paid render engines. LuxCore is a free, open-source render engine developed externally by the community. It is quite good at achieving realistic renders. The materials you use in the scene need to be compatible with LuxCore Render. Its own material conversion system is not very good. If rendering is an important part of your work, I definitely recommend checking it out. Octane Render is currently the only company using RTX technology. You can try the free version, Octane X. The paid version costs only $100 per year. If you work on large commercial or studio projects and value affordable pricing and support, Octane Render is perfect for you. Which one is your favorite? If you want a detailed comparison of render engines, please mention it in the comments.